my guy they asked him, said, what time Jayden's school over? He said 2:30.
And Jayden's school over 3:30.
Alright. And on Friday school supposed to over half day.
No, on Friday school over 3 o'clock or 3:30 school over.
Film school?
Yeah. What day them Google it? Now what day them Google it on Tiger Live and something like so them say. Upon Wednesday over early, I think.
I mean, me know say they have 2 days where school over early, Wednesday and Friday. So I don't know about Manchester.
Wednesday and one another day, but I don't know about at 3 o'clock or so.
Everybody different movie time. Because even the primary school when we go up on Wednesday, it over early and on Friday.
But come here, stick a pin to Rotted Clad. The mother Shanique say, right? She said Jayden tell couple lie, cause Jayden say him a go cadet and he never a go no cadet no keep that day there.
Mm-hmm.
And she say tell the little girl boy say cousin pick him up when the cousin pick him up. True story now. Watch this now. The mother said, if no cadet nah keep, why did the mother call the principal and ask the principal if cadet keep that day? And why would the principal say, no, because of the rain?
Mm-hmm.
Because of the rain, why it not keep? He never said, no, cadet don't normally keep on a Friday. Him said no because of the weather it not keep. Now the aunt what she named there, the mother she has say, right? Cause remember the girl was to Jayden in a mega mart will tell them that. Right? They did not know this the Friday. It's on the Saturday them know about this from the girl, you know. That's why them go a mega mart the Monday, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So them never know nothing about Jayden. I talk to nobody. In a mega mart Friday night for she call the principal. I got ask the principal nothing about a cadet.
Mm-hmm.
So some little mix up there right there. So it's not lie that little boy they tell. Some mix up right there. So some information there so them tell a little boy there. Some
look find this quickly because this is the only way me can do it because I don't know why it's not coming in my phone.
Okay, yeah, see there people, if you not see, go to Mega Mart there right down there, so Perth Road, Caledonia, Perth Road, go on to Caledonia, that straight road there, and then right down there, so what is name? Mandeville Hospital. So that is from Mandeville Hospital, come up, turn round to Mega Mart. And if you do it from where Jayden, the route where Jayden was talking, what Jayden did I take, the day when them say him come out of Mega Mart. So this is him coming out of Mega Mart and him walk go up the road to Perth Road. Him turn onto Perth Road, the left. And the left would then bring him down into Mandeville where can lead him to the hospital. And this is the same road where Shanika take a come up for go to Spur Tree. That is the case right there. I remember she's the one who tell us say, I could only imagine somebody driving and see a little boy walking on the road. She is the somebody. She is the same somebody we see him walk. Just like how the mother said she book him up 2 times. So them book him up.
So she book him up, yeah.
Him way so she book him up the Friday.
So the taxi stand is about here, so then to Ward Avenue here.
Oh.
Here. Taxi stand is about round here.
So why them that I said the damn wicked woman ball up? I tell you, so that's why the woman in the damn mega mart, the auntie, the mother when she had mega mart, she ball up when she see Jayden go up the road and turn down this, so she know where ma go. She know where the little boy does. So either him normally go around this, go wait for she for take taxi.
The front gate of Manchester is
so
about...
So come here then, hold on.
Right here, so...
What the fuck?
About right here, so the front gate of Manchester is...
Sandra, be careful of your language.
Oh, sorry.
You know, prosecute you.
Sorry. Come on. Hold on. You said, where say the school that over Pampert Road, the school that around where Mega Mart did this, so?
What big words. Welcome. What PTSD means? Welcome. Big words.
Just say PTSD, why I should cry out.
Post trauma, something another, something.
Not a PTSD.
Disorder.
Not a PTSD. She know what she know where the little boy I go. That's why she ball out.
Okay. All right. Come look at this then. So, what my finger there again? I can't find my finger. Here,
Man,
so
is school.
This a Mega Mart.
Yeah.
Which other the road? This a Mega Mart. This no must the spiritual entrance right here, so. This Perth Road entrance.
So why don't this as a Perth Road too?
Which part is the Perth Road? Come in see.
Perth Road, right? That's how the turn go around a Perth Road. That say.
Lavally, look on it, no?
I tell you, just follow the red line. The red line where the corner turn. That is, it says Perth Road, and below that it says Caledonia Road. And go down more, and it's the hospital. Remember that them same turn pan Perth Road, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that means there's a Mega Mart entrance on this side then, because a two-side Mega Mart. Mega Mart have two entrances, one on that side and one on
no, Mega Mart
have from the big front gate, and you can enter from the back gate when come out.
Hold on.
You see same back gate when they say come through the vet, you can drive this to go into, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on. Listen, alright, hold on.
That's what I'm asking you.
Your glasses now work the vet it look like.
Nah,
you see Mega Mart now they over the other side the way you part. It's the same side of Mega Mart the pan. Cause the red line there is a road. So Mega Mart is not on the both side of the road there. Mega Mart they over this side. The school they over the other side of the road.
This way Mega Mart, right? Yes, so Mega Mart there.
Yes. Over that side there. Over the other side of the road now, probably the school they over the other side of the road. Because you can stay across the street and see Mega Mart.
This is Ward Avenue. This is the one that goes up into Mandeville Park.
Yes, and right down there, so some of this, because them say, Jayden'S school, they behind. No, the taxi stand, they behind a Jayden'S school.
Right.
Yes, so it's up there on the other side. So if him go around that road, that this can lead him back to him taxi stand or go straight, can bring him to the hospital, which is the same road that Shanika take for come up now. Fear go to Spur Tree. So she couldn't be the very one when them come up and see the little boy head. And that is why you see that message where she go down and say she waiting on it now. If Jayden go at the taxi stand, they say I go wait for him auntie Fear come after that. Because remember Jayden know say the auntie no go on a work, cause him don't know if the baby go one back in the day and the auntie go at work. And if him normally wouldn't go around, they say go wait for the auntie at the taxi stand. So if him gonna say wait for the taxi stand and the auntie send she for I'll go pick him up, and she say okay, she'll pick him up now. We getting it now, which is Jayden she'll get now. And then I use that as excuse. I said the taxi. I said the chicken that when Mr. T did already go buy.
Yeah, because that KFC would be down there, so down further down here, so.
The school is on the side of the churches, whatever the churches, college.
Teachers
school there.
Oh,
class over there, so the school there.
College is a distant down, but yeah, it's a distant down. This
also over upon the under the school there.
Yeah,
but that they're confusing because them said the taxi stand they behind away in school there. Whichever way that road the way him turn go down to can lead him to where the girl there come from.
Where the girl there, whichever way you go, I see the road like
exactly, because the same road that she take a come up, I him take go down.
Yep, the road here is definitely where they would find the Spur Tree, taxi and school gate, Mega Mart, hospital, everything they right in this straight line here and the bend there, right there, so.
So,
this.
me don't need to see nothing more. I'm glad you come out, because we know we see where we should just make the picture a bit clearer. She
shouldn't
collect the
really.
little boy. She collect him. If she not collect him, he take the taxi, go road. And that's why the dirty girl come in and come and say, of course, wonder if him take the wrong taxi. Them no say it's not the wrong taxi. Where she go that mean I wonder if him take the taxi, I go up where the mama walk. Wonder if a taxi him take for go up where the mama walk up a spiritual this so. And that's why the girl said the policeman said to the mother say, from the way how him walk, he look like him know where him go.
Of course, the boy have a phone for him, so he not make no mistake.
Yeah, and this right they say the hospital the right down there so him know, and the taxi stand the right there so, and at the same place where she a come up. So how come then I put 2 and 2 together for to say she at the same time in where she has send the messages them and everything at the same time in where Jayden in the vicinity. Not she that right there so we are look pan right there so not she that. I she that must see right there so. I could just picture her as where she said I could just imagine somebody whatever. That is she right there.
She right there so. She right there.
So yard boss need to look pan this map right here. This is the updated map where you need to look pan. This is Shanique right here so.
Screenshot it, yard boss. Screenshot it.
Yeah. I'm a Shanika go right nice him.
Lord Jesus. Yeah.
That's my friend. They can go there same still go a reason.
No, man in a one cell. No.
Me a big fight for them because I told my friend.
Me I do you something to say if me could have find if me could have find her.
That is why the mother come out and a cover for her daughter. So because from she go watch the Mega Mart footage and she see where Jayden turn, she know what happened to Jayden. That's why she scream out.
Perth Road, your Perth Road spell that guys Perth. New word, Tiger, new word.
Big
Big words, man. Big words. You know, big words. Big words.
Oh gosh. Yeah, but that's it. Yeah, man, everything is in the air right so. It's a walk, not an easy walk. Me I go all the way to Villa Road School and me I do the walk in the Villa Road School me go.
And them young people, they all them young and strong and I like me.
I want about the adventure, sir. The man say him investigating big case with big companies. Tande, try because he's going to prison. Because if he can't investigate this one year out here and America him go. We soon get what you want.
Oh, yeah, boss, I go prison for Lavally. You know, I go prison for what the conviction.
Hindering.
Misleading a case.
A murder suspect.
Yes.
Misleading a case.
Hindering and misleading.
Hindering or harboring. Harboring a fugitive.
I mislead the woman them. I mislead the people them. And I hinder the people for justice, JD. They charge a yard boss everything right now. Yard boss have a friend when I charge him everything.
Yes, Katie. She imagined because she was the one right there. Because you know what she gonna say?
A long time.
I can't imagine it. Alright, watch, it's simple. She couldn't just ask, I couldn't anybody else drive past and come pick him up off of the road. And that's why she said that. When she pick him up, she go down and said that. I said, what if I never did and did somebody else come pick him up off right here, so. That's why she come say, I could just imagine that somebody just see a little boy walking.
Well, nobody else ever want him. Them want him, that's why I take him up, they don't know how much people pass him. That she want him.
But that road there, right?